Hi, Raniel. Good afternoon. This is Jane from Get My Course. Thank you for spending your time with me today and sharing your feedback about the course that you took with us. How are you, Raniel? How's your day going?
I'm good. And enjoying here in Australia. Mm,
Wow. So, are you working right now?
yes, I am
Oh,
working.
okay. I see. Thank you so much for giving me time. But anyway, I won't take long of your time. Let's start with you telling us about your position. What is your
Okay.
designation and what industry do you work with?
I am assistant in nursing in a residential aged care facility here in Perth.
Okay. And which course did you study with us?
Certificate 3 in individual support, aging and disability.
Okay. But how did you get to know about this course, Raniel? Who told you
Mm,
about it?
Actually, my husband researched about it, and
Mhm.
he told me to inquire, and then after the conversation I had with the Get My Course team, I enrolled. I enrolled. Yep.
Mhm. Did your husband found us in YouTube, in Facebook,
I
Google,
think
or
in Google,
Google? I see.
and
But
then I
what
searched it on Facebook. Yep.
mhm.
Yep.
But what made you sign up and pay for the course?
Because I inquire a lot of schools, but they don't accept like dependent visa because in my visa it is 3 months only study. So Get My Course assures me to that they will help me to study in that span of time.
Amazing. May I know how long it took you to finish the course?
It 3 months. Yeah.
2 months. I believe you did the
Yeah.
online course of Certificate 3 in Individual Support, Aging and Disability.
Yes.
That's great that you're able to finish it right away. So why get my course, not other provider aside from that? Is there any other reason aside from the
Um,
timeline?
Maybe because there's a lot of Filipino also working there. And just for easy communication also, and they really helped me a lot. And
That's right. I
yeah.
actually noticed there are a lot of Filipinas and Filipinos who took this online course for Certificate 3 in Individual Support. And Raniel, what are the top two benefits do you think of you taking the course?
Number one is flexibility. I can study on my own time. And next is the accessibility of the materials. Of course, it's online, so it's 24/7.
That's amazing and that's great to hear. And after you got the qualification, did you actually had or did you got a job right away?
Yes. After I got my certificate, within it's just like 1 day, I got
Oh,
interviewed with the one I sent my resume and then started right away after that. So I'm
and how
still
is
working on that.
amazing. That's great to hear. You're really very, very, very hardworking because after you got the certificate, you applied right away. That's one of the great Filipina and Filipino traits, actually. We're very, very hardworking. And how about the pay, if you don't mind me asking?
Actually, the pay here in Australia in aged care facility is higher, other than the other than the jobs like in the for example like in a cleaning or
Mm,
in front of staff. Aged care has a starting rate higher than that, so it's a
amazing.
good, yeah, it's a good start to.
A very good industry to work with, right?
It's
And
hard but it's fulfilling, and you will save a lot of money if you work.
wow, that's the best part. Okay. And Raniel, what advice would you give those people who are sitting on the fence, interested to do the course, but they lack the courage to pursue it?
Number one is understand your motivation. Reflect on why you are why you are interested on that course in the first place, and also break down your goals. Instead of viewing the course as one of the overwhelming challenge, think of it into a smaller, manageable goals, and also visualize success. Yeah. Because here
Amazing.
in Australia, there's a lot of hiring in the aged care facility. So it is a good start for the Filipinos to try certificate 3 and get hired in the residential facility or in the community or being a support worker. There's a lot of options that you can work with if you have a certificate 3 or certificate 4.
That's great to hear. And, any other nationality, right? Because I have talked to a
Yes.
lot of people there, Australians, other nationalities, and they mentioned that aged care facility is really a good community to work. And the only requirement is minimal
Yeah.
requirement is certificate 3 in individual support.
Yes.
So
That's why
it's
I'm very thankful to get my course for helping me to achieve working in the aged care facility. Because my previous job is in the front staff, like a cashier,
Mhm.
but I really want to work in aged care because my previous previous work in the Philippines is in healthcare, and also I am a registered nurse in the Philippines. But I am
Oh,
not yet registered nurse here in Australia because there's a lot of requirements. So this is my like
stepping stone.
yeah, stepping stones, yeah.
That's amazing. And I wish you all the best. I know you will be a registered nurse there in the future, and you will
Thank
be
you.
working in the healthcare industry. So very good job in, using the community sector as a stepping stone in achieving your goal and your career in
Yeah.
Australia. We are really thankful and grateful to you, Raniel, for taking the course with Get My Course, for trusting us and trusting Hannah as well as your facilitator.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Raniel, for your time. I know you're busy. I won't take much. You do have a lovely day, okay?
Thank you.